Hi guys, so really quick tutorial, this one. What we're going to do is run over how to add a custom made or a custom JSON file that you've exported from After Effects or you've got from somewhere else, and we are going to use that JSON animation and we are going to create a custom preloader for your website. And by the end of this, you'll all be able to achieve it with pretty much without any effort. It's nice and simple to do. Couple of quick bits of housekeeping. Firstly, you're going to need Elementor Pro in order to do this. And you are going to need an exported JSON file or a JSON file that you've picked up from somewhere else in order to achieve this. So first things first, what we are going to do is we are going to create a new template inside Save Templates. We're going to create a new section. We're going to call that Preloader Template, and let's go ahead and create that template. Inside that template, we're going to use no blocks. We're going to choose our own one column system. And what we're going to want to put into that column is the Lottie widget. So let's just drag and drop her over there. Custom Elementor one in there by default. Here you've got the ability to upload a JSON file. So just click on upload. You might get a warning there saying you need to enable custom uploads. Just accept that. This is one that I've already uploaded. It's the one that I'm going to be using. But you would obviously just upload your own. So let's just click on that, insert the media, and boom, there it is straight away. First thing to notice, no loop. So let's come into the settings. We're going to set that to loop. Excellent, looks about right. Play speed, I think one's a little bit slow. 1.2 looks pretty cool, looks about right. And the only thing that I have found with this in the renderer option is just change it to canvas from SVG. Not quite sure why SVG doesn't work. If anyone finds out or knows, let me know. But canvas is the only option that seemed to work using this method that I've been working on. So then jumping over to the style tab, I'm going to set a custom width. Let's go for, I don't know, 220 pixels. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Max width 100%, and that's probably about it. You know, all we're going to do is use this section inside a preloader. So what we're going to do is if we just publish that, don't need to have a look. If we jump out to the dashboard, into the Save Templates option, you've then got your template here, and the important part to remember here is this shortcode. So let's just copy that for a second. And what we're now going to do is we're going to add a plugin to actually enable the preloading function. So if we come over to plugins, let's add a new one called Preloader. If you just search for Preloader, you'll find the one that we want. This first one here called Preloader Plus. If we install this plugin, it should only take 2 seconds, and activate. What you do is you get Preloader Plus here, you click on that, all you get is a load of tutorials where the actual settings are. If you come over to Appearance, Customize, and you've got an extra option inside here called Preloader Plus. As you can see, when that page was loading, it already picked up my previous settings, so kind of ruined this little bit for you. But if you come into Preloader Plus, click on Settings, by default that custom content will be turned on, and I think built-in icon is the one that's turned on by default, so you get this little preloader here. What we want to do is turn that off, turn custom content on, and the shortcode that we just copied a minute ago, you just paste in there, and there you have your custom JSON, your custom animation as a custom preloader. Lots of customs in there. The biggest thing to remember is just turning off all of these options, only leaving content turned on, and obviously you can change the colour of the background if you want to. So we change it to this grey. I don't really like that. If we change it to black, probably not going to like that either. Not too bad, but the white is where it's at for me. And that's it. That's it done. If you just publish that, so it's changed everything. Come back over to the home page and refresh. There you have your custom animation as a preloader, and that is on all pages. I've got it set to be on all pages. You can jump over to the work page, same again. Jump back to your home page, same again, and it looks pretty cool. I'm really chuffed with how it looks. Client is hopefully going to like it. This is still all on dev, so anything that you're seeing here, please don't judge on, but it's early stages yet, but it's something that they were keen on, and something that we've managed to do pretty easily. So any questions, drop them in the comment below. If you've got any questions whatsoever, I'll try